everyone, welcome back to the Northfield Homestead. Hope you guys are having an awesome week or had an awesome week and that you have a good week further. Not much really been done in the garden. We've had a couple of days of rain, which was really good, but it's been windy, and also I've been working a lot more overtime and so forth to help because of the short staffed. But yeah, let's just show you what I did get done, and then also the way that the garden's looking at the moment with all the rain that we've just had. Anyways, let's get into it. So there we go, we're in the front garden still. Lots of weeds coming up. Things are growing nicely. Had my friend today come and give me some beautiful staghorns. There's one over here that I've placed on the tree, one over there, as well as some tree orchids. One's about to flower, which is going to be pretty, and the other one over there. But yeah, we just need to keep them moist and hopefully they take off. And also the other air ferns, doing some beautiful colorations going on. And yeah, the garden's coming along nicely. Yeah, we try our best to keep it all going. Pretty pink flowering bush. This will then produce little blueberries. No, it's not a blueberry, but it will give those off. Sorry about the light, guys. Peach tree, yellow cling peach, giving off some blossoms and producing some nice little peaches over there. Here's some peaches on this. Yay! The white daisy flowering beautifully. The orange tree is taken off nicely again. Violas, and I see that one over there has popped some seeds out, and I see little seedlings coming out, which is quite cool. And I see my daffodils are coming up over here, which is quite cool. I was worried that they were going to die off. Yeah, lots of weeds coming up. Back at the air staghorns. Coming along nicely. This beautiful color. Stunning. Poppy, pink poppy, about to flower, which is quite cool. There's a lot of them coming up everywhere. And then the orange daisy, poppy, coming up, and there's a lot of them up in the rest of the garden, which is quite cool. All my other air plants taking off nicely. Yeah, quite cool. So if you look inside there's some baby violas coming up, and then over here they're coming up everywhere. It's quite cool. I don't mind them taking over. And we have one rogue pigeon. Let's see if we can quickly catch him. Off he goes. Anyways, all the pigeons hopefully gonna nest soon, so I can start letting them out. Just fed them. And the budgies, they're nesting, and then the cockatiels are also nesting. They've had 2 lots of young hatch, but none of them have survived past a few weeks. And rabbits, lovebirds. Hello. And I checked just now because I was telling my dad that the ringneck has disappeared. And I lifted up this nesting box and she came out of there, so at least I know, there she comes. At least I know she's still alive. I need to get a male for her, but she so badly wants to nest, so she's taken over that nesting box. And then inside, we've got little bubbly bunny rabbits. Let's see if we can put some light on. Sorry about my finger toes. Little baby, where are you going? Oh, hello. Hello, come here. What you doing? Come. Hello. Hello. It's a young lovebird and hasn't quite learned how to fly yet. And he's quite cute. Hello. Let's put it back up at the top. There you go. Yeah. And then Daisy the ringneck. At least I know she's still alive. Come. Sir George Stately, come. Come on. Good boy. So, what's been happening in the back garden? I went and got some more horse manure, so or stable clean out, and so I finished off this bed and then I started on this bed and got to here, so I'm gonna have to get more. That's what 10 bags gets me. Some nice poppies coming up here, and then I've got some cosmos coming up here, which is quite cool, over there, and there's a few more over here coming up in this garden. Look at this peach tree. Look at how many peaches. Wow, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of those. Well, I might not even get all of them. A mulberry tree, it's got some mulberries. I've gotten 1 or 2, but with the wind that's been going on, it's taken it all. And then look at the big pile of yellow daisies. So I cleaned all the way down to there, and at the back cleaned up that tree, and then opened up the nice orange leaf tree. Yeah, it's coming along nicely. The plum tree is blossoming. Yeah, not really much to show. I don't really get much done. But yeah, we slowly... Oh, here's a volunteer pumpkin coming up. Or butternut, should I say. So excited about that. And this peach tree is also loaded with peaches. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll show you the progress as we go. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see you next week. Bye.